Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to power off your OnePlus Nord N20 SE. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this OnePlus Nord N20 SE and you are looking for how to turn off your device. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. For example, if I want to turn off my OnePlus Nord N20 SE, you need to press this power button and volume up button together. So we need to just long press and then we will see screen appear just like this. In this screen we will see if you decide to restart your OnePlus N20 SE, you can just bring this circle button to up, your phone going to be restart. If you decide to power off, you can simply hold this ball and swipe down and your phone going to be turned off. So within this simple way you can easily turn off your OnePlus Nord N20 SE. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.